Okay, so I wanted to give you a review of the mushroom loaf. So it looks like this because it was so good. I ate most of it before I thought to tell you what I thought about it. So this is it. It's nice, hearty. Look at that. Delicious. And so I made this with my homemade tofu, and I curdled my tofu with vinegar. And so it has a bit of a vinegary tang to it, which actually turned out really good in this because you can use apple cider vinegar to give vegan dishes somewhat of a savory, almost not quite meaty, but savory flavor. So it actually was a really great combo. So I highly recommend it. It's delicious. I could eat this whole thing. So good. I had everything at home to make this, which was even better. So give it a try. Let me know what you think and how it goes. And I will talk to you soon. If you have other requests for videos, let me know, or recipes. I would be happy to make them for you. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon.